If you're thinking about buying Poppet AI, there's really only one question that matters. Is it actually worth paying $399 for or not? Because there's no free trial, there's no monthly option, so there's really no way that you can test it out first. You're having to commit upfront. And that's exactly where I was. So I went all in, I bought it, and I've now been using Poppet AI every single day for the last 12 months. And I've even built my entire content workflow around it. And here's the honest truth. If you're just looking for something to create a little bit of content here and there, then you really don't need this. I mean, you just don't. On the other hand, if you are creating content more regularly, things like YouTube scripts or blog posts or social media posts, things like that, and you want to turn that into a full content creation system, then that's when Poppy actually starts to make a lot more sense. So in this review, we're going to cover what it actually looks like on the inside, how it works, how the pricing and the credits work, and the three reasons this completely changed how I create content and why I still use it every day. So by the end of this, you'll know whether Poppy AI is right for you. So why don't we just jump on my computer right here and I'm going to show you exactly how I use this. All right, so this is inside Poppy and everything in here is built around boards. So you can have a specific board for YouTube scripts, viral short scripts, Facebook ads, whatever you want, depending on the type of content that you're creating. Now, what I'd like to do though is run multiple setups or systems on the same board. So if I just open up this board here, just to show you, I've got a setup for YouTube scripts, a setup for blog posts, a setup for email, and a setup for social content. So instead of having to start from scratch every time, you're working inside these setups that you've already built for that specific job. Now, if you compare that to something like ChatGPT, where you're constantly having to, like re-explain everything back and forth, here, there's no need for that at all. If I just zoom into my YouTube setup here, you can see I've already connected things like videos that have performed really well already on the topic, guides on hooks and structure. I've got my own YouTube channel on there, my best performing video scripts, and even voice notes where I talk through the ideas for the video. So the nice thing is that you can plug in whatever inputs you want, articles, social posts, videos, basically anything you want it to learn from. So now, instead of having to explain everything every time, you just tell it what you want. So I might say, write a YouTube script about how to grow a YouTube channel for beginners. Then just hit enter and it generates it just like that. Now, once you've got that, let's say you want video title ideas. So you just say, give me 5 YouTube titles for this video. Enter and done. And if you want a thumbnail, and yes, it can generate images as well, then you just say, create a thumbnail for this video. Enter and it's done. So now instead of jumping like in between tools, scripts, titles, thumbnails, you're doing everything in one place. And that's when you're like, oh, okay, so this isn't just an AI tool, it's actually an entire content creation system. And that's really kind of the big idea behind Poppy. And if you want to see exactly how I set this up step by step, I do have a full Poppy AI tutorial. So I'll link that up there so you can check it out after this. All right, so now let's talk pricing. So Poppy AI is $399 per year. There is a higher tier if you want more one-on-one support, and there's a lifetime option as well. But there's no monthly plan and there's no free trial. And honestly, that was the bit I really wasn't sure about at first. There is a 7-day refund policy though, so you can always try it and get your money back if it's not for you. But even with that, $399 is still a decent chunk of change. So the real question is it actually worth it? Well, here's how I look at it. $399 works out at roughly $33 a month. So if you're just going to be using this occasionally every now and then yes, I think this tool is going to feel expensive. But if you are using it regularly, to create YouTube scripts, email sequences, sales pages, social posts, or maybe even using it for like things like research and planning, then that's when it starts to make a lot more sense. And yeah, compared to those $20 a month tools, this is going to feel expensive up front. But remember, with those tools, you're having to start with a blank slate every time, and you're having to piece everything yourself, which is exactly why content ends up slow, inconsistent, and just way harder than it has to be. Oh, and the other thing that really matters here is the onboarding. So when you sign up, you get a proper onboarding call, so a one-on-one video call with someone from Poppy, where they walk you through how to use it properly. Things like how to structure your boards and how to avoid burning through credits too quickly. And I've got to say, like for me personally, the onboarding call was super helpful. It made a big difference for me because, well, it meant I was getting the most out of Poppy AI from day one. And honestly, like once you understand like how to structure things properly, then credits really are not something that you need to worry about. And for me, this is something that enabled me to create more content faster without sacrificing quality or turning it into a grind. So if you want to try Poppy out for yourself, I've left a link in the description and use code SIMON to get yourself $25 off. I really do think if you're creating content consistently, then this is just one of those AI tools that is going to help you work a lot more efficiently. All right, so now that you've seen what Poppy looks like, how it works, and how much it costs, now this is where Poppy really clicked for me because these are the three biggest standout reasons why this just works, and a lot of people miss them at first. And the first one is this. So with most AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude, you're basically entering in your prompt and just hoping for the best. Sometimes you might get a good result, but most of the time you just end up with generic, average AI content. With Poppy, it's different because instead of just telling it to be creative, you're giving it content that's already working. That could be a YouTube video that's already got a ton of views, or an ad that's already converting well, or a hook that's already been proven, whatever it may be. And you say, take this and use it for this idea. So let me just give you a really quick real life example. So instead of saying, write a tweet about growing on YouTube, I'm going to grab something like this, a tweet that's already doing well. You can see it's getting a lot of engagement. And I'm going to copy that link and then go back to Poppy and drop it on the board. And then I'll say, use this structure, but rewrite it in my voice for beginners learning YouTube. And just to be clear here, it's not copying it, it's just taking the angle and the structure and then applying it to something new. And as you can see, it gives me something solid that I can work with straight away. And that is a completely different way of creating content because you're not starting from zero anymore. You're starting with something that's already being proven. And I think that's really the big shift. And like once you get this, you can apply this to any type of content that you're creating. And now the second reason this works, and this is where most people are leaving a lot on the table, because you'll put in the time to create that one piece of content. So it could be a YouTube video, blog post, whatever it is. Then you hit publish and you move on to the next thing. But what you're actually leaving on the table are more views, more reach, more content from the same idea, and ultimately just more opportunities to make money. Because that one piece of content could have been turned into like a week's worth of Facebook posts or an entire email series or half a dozen shorts. But because you didn't repurpose it, all that time and effort, you're just using it once. So with Poppy, you don't do that. You take that one piece of content and you actually get the most out of it. Let me show you how. So I'm just going to paste my YouTube video link right here onto the board and I'll connect it to the chat. So remember, this is just one piece of content. And now I just tell Poppy, turn this into 5x posts, an email and an Instagram carousel. Hit enter. And now look at this. You've got X posts, you've got an email, you've got carousel content, all from that one video. So now let's take one of these and turn it into something visual. So I'll take this carousel content. I'm going to click create image and then add my prompt, hit enter. And now you've got your images as well. So each one of these becomes a slide and that's your full carousel. So yeah, same idea, multiple outputs without having to start over every time. And if I was doing this manually, you could easily spend 30 to 60 minutes doing this. This does it in seconds. And honestly, this is where I saw the biggest difference in my content output. So after using Poppy pretty much every day for the last year, here's my honest take. For me, they stopped being just another AI tool pretty quickly and became a part of how I actually create content. And I think for me, the biggest difference is that I'm just not starting from zero anymore. Now, every time I sit down to create something, I've got a system that I can go back to and reuse and build on. And that just makes everything feel a lot more streamlined, a lot more consistent, and honestly, just a lot easier to stay on top of. Now, it's not perfect. You do still need to use your brain and you do still need to tweak things, but it does remove a lot of that friction that normally slows you down. And once that friction is gone, creating content actually becomes a lot more sustainable. So, yeah, I'm keeping it. And right now, you've got two options. You can either watch this video next, and I'll walk you through exactly click by click how I set up my entire content system inside Poppy. Or if you're already ready to jump in, hit that top link in the description and use code Simon to get yourself $25 off. The choice is yours.